Good day people, welcome back to my Patreon page. I'm your host Shaheen. In today's video I'm going to update my analysis on gold and silver. If you already have seen my YouTube video, I have closed my positions, long position on gold and silver, and I was able to take about $1,500 US profits on both of those positions. So first of all, I'll discuss what I'm looking and why did I close my positions, and I have not discussed this particular analysis on YouTube. I've only discussed that I've closed my positions. Let me have a look at it, and let's go back right over all the way to here, and then I'll be able to show you guys what I'm looking at it. So one by one, first of all, we can see that the strength coming back in euro. So I'm expecting right now that there's a possibility that we are expecting for prices to fall all the way right over here in this region. So there's an update on euro now, and I'm seeing this across the border on not only on euro but also on other items too. So this is an update giving an indication that probably this is wave 1 right over here, and we are still going through a major accumulation. So this is next couple of days are going to be very important as far as euro is concerned. So we can consider now this as 1, and we will be considering this as wave 2 right over here, and this is a major correction that we are seeing right now. The flow of the funds should be bearish. This is my an update on euro. Let's have a look on Canadian dollar. Forget about it. British dollar, British pound now. So I did discuss that you are expecting we're going to examine this particular behavior more closely. We have seen the first leg, we have seen the first zigzag, we are seeing the middle of the wave X basically, and right now I'm expecting that the price should follow further down in this range area for British pound. I'm clearly bearish on British pound now. Looking at the price action, it should have been, if it was bullish, it should have been carried out, but if it is not, and we can see single zigzag correction, another zigzag, then we are looking for the prices to go further down in this one. This weakness should be expected in next couple of days on British pound. All right. Silver is a little tricky, but if you are bullish on, if you're bullish on silver, I would expect wait for some sort of pause to happen in silver. Does that mean that we are going to see some sort of behavior like this? Quite a possibility that we may see something this should happening. This probably there is a possibility that we can see something like this happening. So beware if you are bullish on silver. Wait for the prices to clear 25.36, and in that case you should wait, see the prices staying in this region. So this is right now a very interesting area. We can see the bounce is coming off in that area right now. We can see there's one right over here support area, one another support right over here too, another support right now. We are seeing that the reflection is happening in silver now. I had quite a good position. I had about 500 ounces of silver, and I have closed that position. The reason is because I'm seeing weakness in gold, I'm seeing the weakness in euro and British pound. I do not want to get rid of the profits that I already had in silver. Price action would become more clearer. There's a possibility that we are seeing some sort of behavior like this right over here, that we should be able to see more things clearly in this region. If price can fall back again at $22, that'll be very interesting points too. So this is an update on silver. And gold, I'll be able to give you guys much better reason why I turned. And first of all, this is the structure is not very convincing as far as the triangle is going on from the top. We can see that this is the triangle that's going on from the top. The resistance line is coming in handy, and we can see the daily time frame. We have just a couple of hours left from the day to trading day to finish, and the price action is not really convincing around the resistance, very close to resistance. First of all, that thing. Another important thing that has come on to my attention, and this is if you can use the range of the previous price action, previous swing right now, and we have to look at it, that the first resistance that we can see is coming at 50%. The next resistance came at 62.5%. Let me delete this line. So the next resistance came at 62.5, which is 1 by 8 away from the previous top, and the next even resistance is coming at 1 by 8 from previous top. So if the trend was really clearly bullish, it should be able to completely clear this area very well. The whole reason that we are seeing these resistance points and an equal interval is giving me an indication that probably we are looking for continued uh, correction. I am right now point of view that we have completed wave 1 right over here. We have part of the correction completed right over here, which is double 3 on a smaller time frame, and then we are right now completing wave X of expanded flat, you guys can see, or a double 3 pattern. So both possibilities exist right now. I'm right now expecting the price should come around in this region, right over here, 1783 area. So from this, it should be a good buying point for gold. Again, once again, we should be looking more price action when prices reach right over here. So if you are bullish, as per my analysis, and I have turned, I was looking for the price to clear this region, but definitely it has not. So I hope that you will be able to take benefit from the particular move that has happened already yesterday. I wish you good luck with your trading. Have a good one, and bye bye.